Developed collaboratively by staff from the community museums, the Connection Card packages museum experiences in an affordable card that you can buy online or at the participating museums. For pennies a day, the Connection Card is your passport to adventure. Cardholders receive unlimited free admission to the 9 participating museums for 1 year, invitation to special events and invite-only invitations, discounts on some programs and services along with quarterly e-newsletters. Family cardholders can bring an unlimited number of children when they visit. Cardholders have access to more than 500 programs and services offered by participating community museums.